Hello friends, you are welcome to Foundational Maths class with Mr. Angus. And today we are going to be discussing on the topic multiples. Multiple. Then what is a multiple? A multiple is a number which is divisible by a given factor without leaving a remainder. And I say it again that a multiple is that number which is divisible by a given factor without leaving a remainder. What that simply means is that a multiple is just a number that can be divided by a given factor without leaving a remainder. Now I want to give us some examples of multiples. Now, 2 is a factor. We want to see those numbers that 2 can divide, and those numbers which 2 can divide without leaving a remainder are called multiples. Now, those numbers are, we have 2 itself, we have 4, we have 8, 2 can also divide 16, 2 can divide 40, 2 can divide 200, and so on. Now, all these numbers here are called multiples, multiples of 2, because 2 can divide all of them without leaving a remainder. Now, I want to give another example. 3. What are the multiples of 3? Multiples of 3 are 3 itself, 6, 9, 12, 36, 93, 108. And so on. So all these numbers here can be divided by 3, which means that all of them are multiples of 3. 3 is a multiple of 3, 6 is a multiple of 3, and so each of these numbers. So that is why we say that multiples are those numbers which can be divided by a given factor without leaving a remainder. All these ones are multiples of 2 because 2 can divide each of them. Alright, so having learned this, I want you to give me some other multiples of these numbers or these factors that I'm going to give you now. Give me the multiples of 4, 5 multiples of 4, and also 5 multiples of 7. That means give me 5 other numbers which are divisible by 4, and also give me 5 other numbers which are divisible by 7. Those numbers are called multiples. Thank you for listening today, and do have a wonderful day. Bye bye.